Hey guys, Lock Hacker here. This is the type of lock that you'd use to lock up a pistol. Um, if you're going to transport it to like a gun range or a shop to get it fixed. This would basically get routed through the pistol up from the magazine, then the slide, and come back around itself and end up locking back in. Usually, depending on the pistol, and then basically it make it impossible for the pistol to be shot while this lock was on it. So that's a little background for you, but I'm just gonna pick it because that's what I do. So, just looking at this, looks like it's 3 pins. So I got 1, 2, 3, and it's a cheap lock. It's made in China, so it shouldn't be too hard. All right, get my tension going. Pick. And what I'm going to do for this one is I'm just going to do wrap it up and down, and there you go, it's open. Come on, there's a trash lock, but there you go. Okay. So if you lock up your gun and throw the key away, that's how easy it is. Tension wrench, pick. Let's see, am I in the right? Yeah, there we go. Here. Tension wrench to the bottom, pick, and then wrap it up and down and turn. See, it's already opened. The same thing as a cheap Chinese lock, so it's kind of a pain. It gets stuck in there, but there is nothing at all to this one. One thing you do want to look out for though is with your tension wrench. Now if you'll notice, these rivets that stick out are thicker than my tensioner. So if you stick this all the way in there till it's all the way in the back and it's flush, and you're trying to tension down on it, if I'm really tensioning on it, you see that rivet's stopping there. So don't get all frustrated because, I'm trying, and it ain't working. Well, you could be blocking yourself somewhere else. So lift that out a little bit. I mean, I got the room to do so on this one. You might need a different tension wrench, but make sure it clears that rivet when you turn. That way you're not fighting yourself. And then every once in a while, see, and it easily passes over that when you do end up turning it. See? So just another thing to keep watch for when you're doing this.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, let me know. Hit the like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks guys.